Manila, a beautiful city by day. By night, a winged creature wraps the city into darkness. The horror headline news is now a movie.
Sa lungsod ng Maynila, mayroon din pong isang babaeng manananggal sa barangay Sampaloc.
Pray for the woman's baby.
Ba't ganyan niya? Walang bituka. Sino may gawa niyan?
Manananggal.
Oh, loko mo. Yung pa ako po, hindi nakasayad sa sahig.
Anong hindi nakasayad? Abay, hindi nga.
Iniisip mo bang ako ang manananggal? Do I look like one?
Even the park ceases to be a playground for babies. Don't stay late in the disco. The girl you are dancing with might be a you-know-what. This is Bea Andrada, top fashion model. She has been beautiful for 100 years. Beauty in the Beast. Beware of the neighbor across your house. Manananggal in Manila. Directed by Mario O'Hara.
Sa araw, normal na normal ang kapaligiran. Subalit paglitaw ng buwan, umiinit, nadadarang, nagbabagang emosyon.
Bumili ka ng kandado bukas. Baka may mangyari na naman sa kanya. Lerma, anak, naglakad ka na naman ng tulog kagabi.
Nagubad daw ako.
Ha? Naglakad ka ng hubad?
Parang animal sa hawla, kinukulong.
Lerma, tama na, anak.
Huwag niyo pa kami nakikialaman!
Ingatan ka lang namin. Tama na, anak. Tama na.
Nakawala ang hayop. Claudia comes by night, by moonlight, hubad sa ilalim ng buwan. In many countries, on many projects, with many communities, Chevron has made a commitment to be a global energy partner that keeps its promises, that keeps its word. Chevron, the symbol of partnership.